the behind the scenes of my videographer quit. Jeremy, you gotta go install. Go install.
I'm installing, bro. I need to
I'm
get
installing.
Yeah, I never let nobody with no motion try to hold me. I'm an OG, and that's the old me. The way I'm sitting nowadays, the money stacked 9 ways. I'm sipping on a latte. Why they all call me bougie?
All right, you guys, we just filmed a little bit of content at the gym just for a fun reel. We didn't actually work out or anything. Now we're gonna go hit up the Goodwill store because we got another dope, custom, one-of-one garment in the work. This is gonna be different than any of the other ones we've done in the past. And we're starting with, just a little hint, we're starting with this Solar Guard Tint Wiz Austin Cook collab sweatshirt that was designed specifically for SEMA 2025, but this is gonna be kind of the base of this next garment that we're coming out with. This is gonna be something crazy. I'm excited to do it. I love doing these custom garments because it gives us the opportunity to shoot content, shout out partners, and they're just fun to do. And the seamstress we have makes it so easy because she freaking kills it. We're up here in North County. They've got a pretty big Goodwill store here. We're gonna go check it out. What we're looking for is we're looking for other garments, other sweatshirts, potentially even a blanket that has some of these other colors in it. But yeah, that reel that we just filmed at the gym, that's why I'm in a mix of gym clothes and work clothes. But I took my shirt off for the filming. It's gonna be funny. Funny reel. Nowadays, you guys, the content, if you don't already know on Instagram, we're starting to mix it up more. It's obviously a lot less installation tips, which is what it used to be a lot of back in the day. And the reason for that is because when I first started the Tintstitute, which it's not even called that anymore.
Yeah, I was gonna point out your new hat.
Oh yeah, I'm stoked on this. One of our partners that does embroidery surprised me with this hat, complimentary. Did my signature and puff, pretty cool. Match this shirt. Moving away from the Tintstitute, which one of the last things is changing the name of the website. It was great at first to niche down to window tinting specific, but it started to restrict us as far as the type of content and what people thought of the Austin Cook brand as. Obviously, I'm helping auto restyling owners scale, and so that includes PPF shops, wrap shops, detail shops, and sign shops. Everything we do at our company, which 50% of our business is signs. We teach people how to do everything we've done. Can't teach people if I haven't done it, so therefore we're changing the name, and it's the Austin Cook brand. This is a different thrift store. I guess we could check this one out. They do have a Goodwill, I just got confused, but I have a coaching call at 2:30, so we don't have a ton of time. Let's go check this one out. Watch, while we're here, we're gonna find the perfect thing. Manifesting it. Just because it was half of an accident. Brookside Christian Academy. Ooh. Not bad. What size is this though? Oh, XL tall. That's not bad. XL tall? That's not bad. Dude, I want to look up this brand too. Redhead Brand Co. Because it feels like legit quality. This, let's see, because my picture's on the back of this. I feel like I have more. Oh. Put the flannel sleeves on here? Oh, that would be crazy. Make strings out of the garment to go through here.
Oh, that could be sick.
Or switch out the cuffs, so instead of having sweatshirt, wait, oh wait, no, it would already be that.
Yeah,
if we put the flannel.
Yeah, be the sleeve. Sick.
So not just a regular sleeve, so it doesn't look like a vest. Like do a crazy.
Yeah.
Cause this, let's see. Okay, I think we're onto something. All jackets and coats. Let's see how this lines up. Oh, it's longer. That's even better. But what do you think about the? Let me just see. No, I'm talking about cutting like right here. Yeah. I'm just wondering, are these colors good enough? I think so. And that's cream, blue, yellow,
It's kind of
yellow.
The same yellows a little bit in there with the red. The red's
Dude,
there.
it's done. How? How do we find that? It's meant to be. Sick. I'm actually pumped on this. How's it going?
How are you?
Excellent. Great, thank you so much. I brought this sweatshirt in.
You got it?
This I'm purchasing, please.
Ooh, nice flannel. I love flannel.
We're gonna make a custom garment combining these two things.
Ooh.
Oh my God, dude, look at it. Purple.
For Tint Wiz. Yeah. That's what I'm saying.
It has every
I
color.
pointed out each color.
Dude, this was meant to be. I manifested
You,
it.
you did. You really
I
did.
literally manifested this. I was like, we meant to go to Goodwill, and then I pulled in here. I was like, oh wait, I got switched up, and then I was like,
This place
watch.
is better than good.
I know. That's what I was saying in the parking lot. I was like, watch.
We've even voted best thrift shop in the last what, 5-6 years.
It's awesome.
And you know what? This place is amazing. And I say that not just because I work here. I say it because if I'm in a thrift shop,
Yeah,
I want a thrift shop.
yeah. No, it's great.
1305.
This is it, dude.
14, 15, and 5 is 20.
Thank you very much.
The lost art.
I think about it is we're going a little bit out of the flannel season, but that's
That doesn't
No,
matter.
you know what? We had a warm week last week.
true.
It's gonna get better.
yeah.
It's gonna get better. All right, you guys be safe.
Thank you so much. Perfect time.
Yeah.
When you get back from your vacation, then we do the cuts.